desk first, I need you to take out your whiteboard with your marker and a pencil. Your whiteboard, marker, and a pencil. And everything else needs to be up with it. Now, of course, you need eraser with that too. And leave everything else off. Put it on the floor. Okay, we'll be continuing fractions today, but today we'll recap like addition and subtraction of fractions. But before we go there, I need everybody to sit up at your desk, eyes forward. Nobody should be writing on their slates right now. And as I thought before, I need you guys to raise your hand quietly when you have a question, comment, or concern. You need to put that away. I want you to raise your hand if you have a comment, question, or concern. Does everybody understand that? And the same rules apply for when Ms. Lampe teaches. The same rules apply here. Does everybody understand that? Okay. I need you to put down your pencils, put down your markers, and when it's time for us to use our markers, I'll let you know. But again, today we'll be doing fractions. So the lesson is using visual model, which is visual model is simply what? The number bond and the number lines, right? You remember how to use the number bonds and the number lines, right? So that's the visual models we'll be using today, but we'll be doing both addition and subtraction of fractions. And we'll be doing it with the same unit. What does unit mean?
The simplest. He does not have one, like, one of.
Okay. Okay. Can anybody else help him? What does unit mean? The same unit.
Unit means like one of each thing.
Okay. Alright. So here is the vocabulary that is important for today's class. We have number bond. What is a number bond? What is a number bond?
It's like a circle, and you put like the amount that you're like making or you'll have in it, and then you'll have like little lines and circles with like what makes up that one.
Okay. Good job. What is a mixed number? A mixed number. Raise up hands. What is a mixed number? Do you know what's a mixed number? No? Okay. A mixed number is simply here. A mixed number is simply when you have a whole and then you have a fractional part with it. So that's a mixed number. Okay? You have a whole, which is the whole probably 1, and then we have a fractional part with it, which is 2/3. Okay? That's a mixed number. Then we have differences. What is differences? Differences. What is differences?
Like how, like, I don't know how to explain it without using the word.
Okay, without using the word, anybody can help him? What is differences?
It's the space between the two numbers.
Okay, and what is it? It's a subtraction sign, right?
Mm-hmm.
The subtraction sign. And the sum is what? The sum is what, Tremaine?
Like a blank plus blank equal.
Okay, right, so the sum is the addition, right? So are you ready? Okay, the first one that we'll be doing today, we'll be solving for the differences using unit language and a number line. Let's take it first. We're using the sum to find the differences. So the differences using the unit language. For example, if I give you 5 ones, subtract 4 ones, is equal to what? Is equal to what? 5 ones, subtract 4 ones is equal to what? 1 1. Correct. If I give you 5 dogs, subtract 4 dogs is equal to what?
1 dog.
Hands.
1 dog.
1 dog. If I have 5 meters, subtract 4 meters is equal to what? A hand that I haven't seen. Abby.
1 meter.
1 meter. So if I give you 5, 6, subtract 4, 6 is equal to what? Oh, 1, 6. That's right. So that's simply using unit language. For example, if we use the number line, you know, it starts off like this. So what I want you to do for me is take your slates, uncap your markers, and do this for me. I want you to, it's happy.
You want to slide down?
No, I want to write.
Oh.
Okay, I'll just say, let's do, where am I here? Let's do 5, 6, so 5 over 6 minus 4 over 6 is equal to what? And put your answer on your slates. Let's go. 5, 6, subtract 4, 6 is equal to what? See, I need to put this up here. 5, 6, subtract 4, 6 is equal to what? 1, 6. As we said, 1, 6. Now, when we're using it on the number line, what's the first thing you need to put on your number line? What's the first thing you need to put on both ends of your number line?
1 and 0.
So this one here will be 0. And over here, we have 1, right? But we need to divide it into 6s in order to get the answer. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we have the 6, right? And what we will do now, we'll take this number here, so we find it on the number line. Are you following so far? So we have 1, 6. Where does 1, 6 go? Where does 1, 6 go?
On the spot after 0.
Okay, 1, 6 goes right here. Where does 5, 6 go? 5, 6. Tremaine.
Next to the 6.
Next to which 6? This one?
Yeah.
So we have 5, 6. And in order to show that this is equal to this, what we do is subtract. And when we subtract, we go backwards. So we count backwards. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Isn't it the same because it lands here on the spot that we started on? Good. So what you do is you draw a line, you put your arrow, and you put your point. And that's how you show the representation on the number line with this problem. Do you understand?
Yeah.
And I think so. Are you ready to go on to the next problem? The next one that we have is the second problem. So erase your slate, cap your markers. So you're welcome. The next one we have is decomposing to record a difference greater than 1 as a mixed number. So if we have 10, 6 subtract 2, 6 is equal to what? So write it on your slate. 10, 6 subtract 2, 6 is equal to what? And 6 subtract 2, 6 is equal to what? Abby?
8,
8, 6. Does everybody get that? 8, 6. Everybody got that? Right. So 8, 6. Then we use that 8, 6. So let's put the 8, 6 here, because that's the answer. And we're trying to turn the 8, 6 into a mixed number. Remember, a mixed number is a whole with a fractional part. Do you have a question?
No, I think I know the answer.
You know the answer? Okay, tell us.
Is it 1 and 2, 6?
1 and 2, 6. How did you get that?
Well, I thought 6, 6 would be 1, and then I just added another 2. And I took it 2 away from it, and then got 1 and 2, 6.
Okay. Does everybody understand that, or you want me to explain it more for you? Explain it more? Okay. What we have here denominator and we see how much time the denominator, in this case we have 6. So how much time 6 could go into 8? If you have 8 things, how much time could 6 go into 8? How much time could 6 go into 8? 1. Everybody saw that? 1. So you have 8 things. How much time 6 could go into 8? 1. So we put 1 here. And then the remainder that we have, we use it as our numerator for over here. So what was the remainder? 2. The remainder was 2, right? So 2. And then you use the same denominator as you have before. So then it's 6. So the mixed number for 8 6 is equal to 1 and 2 over 6. Does everybody understand? Everybody understand? Good. So what we're going to do now is use the number bond to show it. So you remember how you do the number bond? You take this one that you originally have and then you do this. What we do is, it's really simple. So you put it into the mixed number and then we have this here already, right? So that's a fraction already provided for us. So all you do, when you turn it to the mixed number, you use this and you put it down here. As simple as that. So you have this one checked off already. Everybody following? And then we have this one remaining right now. So we have 1. So 1 is equal to what? The same as what? Let me get somebody out all on before. Tia, can you help us? 1 is equal to what? If the denominator is 6, then 6 what is equal to 1? Can anybody help us? 6, 6. So 6 is the same as 1, correct? You just use the same denominator twice. So all you do is 6 over 6. And this is how you show the number bond for it. And then I think we have it right here, so we can see if we have the same thing. Does everybody understand? Do I need to go over anything? So that's using it for subtraction. Now we go on to addition. So we're using the sum. Okay, erase your slate. And what we'll do now is solve for the sum we're using the unit language. And remember, we talked about unit language already. The only difference is we're doing addition, which is a sum, instead of subtraction, which is the difference. Okay? So now we have 1 6 plus 4 6. So what we'll do is 1 6 plus 4 6 is equal to what? Do it on your number slate. 1 6 plus 4 6 is equal to what? Do it on your number slate. Here, what's the answer?
5 6.
5 6. 5 6. And remember, you just add the top and you put on the same denominator. Okay? And what we're going to do now is try to put this on the number line. I need a volunteer to come and do this on the number line for me. I need a volunteer. Catherine. Go ahead. Catherine. I want you to do this on the number line provided here for us. So go ahead. Everybody pay attention. So you see she's doing the most important thing. She's putting the 0 and then she's doing the 1. And while she do it, you can do it on your slate as well. Catherine, I need you to tell the class what you're doing as you do it on the board.
And then 1 6. And then at the end, 5 6.
Okay. Is everybody following, Catherine? Yeah? I'm seeing this table walking good. So did you show them? Okay. So explain it now.
I put 0 and 1, and then 1 6, and then 2 6, and 1 6.
Mhm.
The difference between 1 6, 5 6, and 1 6 is 4.
So what do you do next? Do you know? No? So what you do is, you can come here so that the rest of the class can see. So what you do now, you just connect it. And then what you do is this. Remember, as I said, for addition, you go to your right. For subtraction, you go to your left when you show it. Everybody give Catherine a round of applause for doing the correct thing. Okay, so now, that's that one. Everybody understand. So we move on to the last problem. Okay. This one, we're going to be doing decomposing to record a sum greater than 1 as a mixed number. As I said before, we did the same thing before, but this time we're just doing it with addition. Okay? So now, we have 5/4 plus 2/4. Now walk your slate and do it for me. 5/4 plus 2/4. 5/4 plus 2/4. And Cooper. 7. 7/4. Everybody have that? Everybody have that? Yes? No? Yeah? Okay, I'm seeing you shaking your head. So 5/4 plus 2/4 is equal to 7/4. What I want you to do now, we did it before, I want you to turn 7/4 into a mixed number. 7/4 into a mixed number. Go ahead. 7/4 into a mixed number. Maddie has it. Nyla has it. Can I have Maddie come and do it for us on the board? So wherever you're at, cap your marker and pay attention.
Well, I know that 4/4 is equal to 1/4.
Talk a little louder, please.
How do I get it?
Go ahead. Just write it
I
down.
know that 4/4 equals 1/4, so that would be 1, and then the remainder would be 3/4. So my mixed number would be 1 and 3/4.
Does everybody understand? Thank you, Maddie. Give Maddie a round of applause. See, does everybody understand how you get the mixed number?
Yes.
Huh? Everybody. Right, so now we're going to do the number bond. Now we're going to use the number bond. What did I have here? 4, right? I need somebody to come and tell me the first one for the number bond. Come on, Tyler. What should be in the next bond? Here. Go ahead. Is that correct?
Yes.
Is that correct, Kara? Good. Can I ask somebody else to put the next number here? I need somebody that I did not call on before. Did I call on everybody before? Yeah? I need you to come do it. Fill it out. Over 4. Does everybody understand this? Now. So this is the number bond that you will show to represent it. Okay. So now, we're finished with it. You understand. I need you to copy your markers and put away your marker and your slate. And all you need on your desk is a pencil. So you have 1 minute to do that. all you need is a pencil. That's all you need, a pencil. A pencil, that's all you need. Let's bring it back in 10. So let's be clear that only a pencil in 9, in 8, in 7, in 6, 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1, and in 0. Here you need to make wise choices. So what I'll do now, you have a pencil on your desk only. I'm going to divide the class into 2 parts, 2 halves. So this side is 1 with these 2 groups, and this side is 3 with these 3 groups. What I'll do, I need you to listen carefully. What I'll do, I want you to listen carefully. Dr. Are you finished? Thank you. So what I'll do is, this side, I'm going to give you a problem. That's this group here, these 2 groups. I'm going to give you a worksheet, and you will be doing it by yourself. So what I'll do, I'll give you your office. I know everybody has a number, but today we will not be focusing on your number. So I need you to set up your office. Set up your office, sorry. And you will be working on the problems by yourself. These tables here, you will be working on the problems as well, but you will be doing it in your groups. Remember, in your groups you need to be talking. You need to make sure if you have a problem, you ask the people. If you got it right, you show the others in your group. So remember, you're doing it as a group. So I'll give you the page. Jermaine, pull up your sheet, please. You're doing it as a group. And then the people that has the office, I need you to leave your office where it is and work on the problems for yourself. For yourself. I need you to listen and pay attention. So leave your pencil over and just have your pencil. Hi. 2. Okay. You have 10 minutes to finish this. If you finish before, that means you're wrong. If not, do not worry. You still have the 10 minutes. So let's start. Remember, I need to hear talking in your groups. The people that is doing it for themselves, you need to be quiet.
So it's right in the part.
People in your groups, I'm not hearing. This table, I'm not hearing you. Okay, the people that is coming in. People that is coming in. Join the table that you're at, and then I'll just bring you on.
3 halves minus 2.
Good group work.
3 minus 2.
Sorry. Yeah, bye-bye. would be one and a half, right? No, one.
No.
1/5.
No, the next number would be. No. 5/5? Yeah. And 1/5. 5 fourths minus 1/4 equals 4.
And then this would be
5 fourths.
Five.
You guys do this to get the answer.
Run. Are you on 8 yet?
So then we just do the
It's
equal.
AC.
So 9/5 minus 2/5 is 6/5.
Good job, guys.
Yeah, that's how it is.
So then we
So
would
what?
do another box. Then we would do.
Alright, next page.
Hold on.
We got ace.
We didn't even do E. Oh, hold on. And then before we do the number line, we go equal, and then it would be 1/5. I mean, 5/5 plus 1/5 is 1/5.
You got that last one wrong.
That because
Well, yeah, I did the same number.
so 5/5 is 1 4, right? So that would be and then
6 fourths. 6 fourths is equal to 1 and
so then
wait,
the number line would be
it's gonna be
5/5.
1.
Good discussion.
1
Because it's one.
Which one you still have?
2 fourths.
Oh.
So then
got
it
it.
makes 4 8 fourths minus 2 fourths is 2 fourths. I know what this is.
4 fourths. Okay, you do the
So
second page.
then that would be equal to.
Yeah.
Wait, you can't go on to the next page.
next
Not anymore, it's 6 and 4. So here 4 and
Well, we've been talking about it.
Okay, time out. Time out. Listen to me. It has a next side, so when you're finished, that's the first page. You turn the paper, and then it has a next side for you to go ahead on. Okay? Continue.
So that the number box would be 38. 4/4.
I'm working on it.
When you're finished, you can just put down your pencil so I'll know you're finished.
Okay, so we're doing this. That means we're doing adding. So 6 nines plus 6 nines. 12 nines, and that would be 1 Yep. Okay, and then the number line would be 9. Wait, it would be 1. You had that. You wrote 3 4. I don't know why. 6 I'm not sure. Which one are you guys on? And 5
I'm on
6
16. I didn't realize the mixed number is 2. The mixed number is 2.
No, you're not on.
Well, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
This
12.
one.
12.
You say it's not that, so you're not on it, and you're 1, 2, 4. This would be, it wouldn't be 1. It would be, because 12 plus 6 is half of 12, right? So then it would be just 2. Okay, I'm ready. If you double 6.
Yeah, I want you guys to try it and see if the mixed number is You asked like to the teacher. You said, I want you guys to try it. I got two.
This table finished? Okay.
If
I don't want to.
well, me and Kara were doubling her. So 6 is half.
You will be, are you finished?
And that's half of the 12. Yep. 12, 7. I mean 12, 6.
Can you guys get two?
And we would do 6.
Can you do that one together? You have to use a number one. Okay, my number one.
6, 6. Okay. And 7 plus minus 5 plus 5. No, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. It would be.
Yeah.
You have 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes.
We're on the last 2 questions.
Alright guys, you gotta do 7 and
And then draw a number.
Go ahead. I'm on 7 and 8.
Okay, we're all working together.
We can do 7 and 8.
We'll do 0.
Wait.
4 fourths minus 4 fourths. 2,
7 fourths minus 5. 4 fourths.
We're going to make this smaller. It's going to be small. And then we're going to do an extra line. This is 1.
Okay,
So you can still divide it into 4 then. And then this would be our 2 fourths.
I don't know how we do the number.
And then we would do 4 here again.
You doesn't look like that.
You have 1 more minute. 1 more minute.
So then,
Like that.
1 and 1.
Guys, this is all you do.
You have
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
7 fourths, 1 here. Right? So divide these into 4 too.
Seconds. Yep.
No, it's not 1. You're gonna spaz out like that.
Okay, and then the middle one would be 7. No, not that. No, over here. That.
10 seconds.
I thought you wanted to finish.
Yeah, we're almost finished.
4 seconds.
Oh my god. One question left.
Time is up.
One question left.
Oh, that's good. Okay. Guess what I want you to do? I want the people, voices off. The people that was doing it individually, I need Catherine to pass around and pick up all the papers from everybody. And I need Hope to take all the offices down. So that's the only people that will be moving now. The rest that was doing it in groups, you stay sitting. You can put the offices over here.
So right here.
And I can help
And that'll
you.
be 1 plus 4 fourths. And this would be 5 plus 6. Oh, hold on.
Here.
This. No, you do it inside. It's just me.
Okay.
This is 7 fourths.
Okay. Now I need Cooper to pass around and pick up all the papers from the people that was doing it in groups. So get your paper ready for Cooper.
Orchestra. My orchestra.
You're not supposed to work on it.
Here.
I don't know. It doesn't matter. Yeah, because then you have to give it laughing noise.
Cooper, you need to hurry.
Yeah, because that's
Okay, what's my ear? A 35 year old. What? Make a friend.
Okay, as Cooper is picking it up, if you need a drink, take a drink before we go on to the last problem of the day. So take a drink and come back to your seat. If not, you can stay and be quiet for the rest of the instructions.
You're like me, I want to go for cherry, man. I'll take a cherry or
Okay. Pause it off in 5, 4. I need your eyes up here in 3, 2, and in 1. What we're going to do is we're going to flip it or flop it. This side, you will be working in your parts. So you will be working in your parts on the next problem. You will be working in your parts in the next problem. And then the people that was working together, now you will get your offices, and now you will be doing the work by yourself. So, can you go to here? Set up your office as I pass it up for you. Set up your office as I pass it to you. You should not be writing on the office. Here you go. You can pass it to Cooper and I'll give you an extra. Give one to Cooper. Okay. Everybody has the offices set up? You ready for this problem? Okay, let's do it. Again, you have 10 minutes to do this one as well. As you get it, you can start on it. Here you go, Kira. Your voices should be off. The people that is doing it for themselves and the people that is working in the groups, get started. Remember, I need you guys to discuss the answer because you're doing teamwork. Your 10 minutes starts now. The people in the groups, I'm not hearing you.
This you don't.
Remember,
This you
I
don't.
need you guys to do the same problem and the same time. Nobody else. Most of you is doing the second problem faster than you did the first one, so that's good. Miss Dave, I'm not hearing you. You should be discussing. If you're finished, put down your pencil and wait. You have 5 more minutes. 1 more minute. 1 more minute. Show of hands for all those who are finished. The last people working, so still remain quiet. You have 3 seconds. Time is up. So I want Abby to pick up all the offices and put it where it belongs. I need Johnson, I need you to pick up all the paper from the 2 groups here and then bring it to me. And then I need Jermaine and Amaya to pick up the paper from these 3 spots. You have a minute to do that.
I can't do it. I can't do it.
Okay. I need everybody to be quiet, and I need you to sit in. Okay. So now you know how to use visual model. Can anybody tell me what's the visual model that we used today? Show of hands. Number bond, Abby?
Number line.
Number line. So these are the 2 visual models, Tremaine. These are the 2 visual models that we used today. And what are the different, how will we call it? We did differences and we did sum. What are 2 other words for differences? That's one, and the other word for sum. Addition for which one? Sum. And which one for difference?
Subtraction.
Subtraction. That's what we did today. And then we use it for the same unit. What do we mean by the same unit? One person. Tell me, what do you mean by the same unit?
They are the same thing, but different.
Different. Well, they have the same denominator, but different in numerator. So now you know how to apply these. So when you move on to other fractions, you know how to use a number bond, but you just use it differently. Thank you, and now you can get ready for your next subject.